For years, cloud mining has been marketed as the easiest way to start mining crypto. No need to buy expensive hardware, no insanely high electricity bills, and no need to maintain all these machines. But here's the ugly truth. Most cloud mining providers either underperform or turn out to be outright scams. In this video, I'll show you real examples of both of these. But I'll also show you how another mining sector is changing the game. Let's get right into it. If you're new here, my name is Tiro, and on this channel I go over everything finance related. From the latest news to current hypes and the most profitable side hustles. So if you're interested in any of this, please consider joining the community by subscribing to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If you've been in crypto for a while, I'm sure you've come across cloud mining. You don't have to buy any software or hardware, yet you'd still be able to mine your own crypto tokens. In theory, all of this sounds great, but in reality it often doesn't live up to the hype. Let's take a look at one classic example. Paladin. Paladin is a cloud mining provider that starts out with a contract that has a duration of just a single day. Now, mining crypto for one day and ending up with a profit just isn't realistic. So what's going on here? Well, there's two ways that this scam can usually go. First of all, there is the simplest way. You buy a contract and you simply can never withdraw the funds. But often these scammers use a tactic that's a bit more sneaky than this. First, we start with you buying a cloud mining plan. This cloud mining offer starts out working like usual. You'll get paid rewards, you can withdraw funds, etc. Sometimes these scammers even start out by letting you withdraw your full investment, including the promised rewards. This is all to build trust. If you see these rewards, you'll probably put in more money. You might even tell your friends about the insane rewards you found on this website. Then, after some time, the platform shuts down and you're left with nothing. So, is this always the case with cloud mining? Well, yes and no. High returns on cloud mining contracts are often the first indicator that a platform is a scam. Another thing you can look at is the team, which in the case of a scam is often not doxed. But of course, there are also real platforms. So let's take a look at a legit cloud mining business to see the difference. To do this, we head over to ECOS Mining. When we're on the website, we can go to Cloud Mining where we can check out their contracts. The cheapest contract here costs $150, so let's check it out. If we scroll down, we can see the estimated output, which for this contract is $365. However, this is only possible with an increase in Bitcoin price of 10%. That also means that if the Bitcoin price crashes by 10%, or even if it stays exactly the same, we would see rewards much lower than this. And as you might have noticed, we haven't even seen the duration of this contract yet. By clicking next here, we can see that the duration of this contract is 60 months. That is 5 years. If you've been in crypto for some time, you probably know that holding something so risky for multiple years could lead to some massive differences in price. What I'm trying to say here is that yes, there are real cloud mining companies, which ECOS probably belongs to. But these companies often use scummy tactics to inflate the expected returns. And yes, you could end up with a profit, but you are committing to holding something very risky for a long amount of time. Personally, I just haven't had the best experience with cloud mining. Alright, so far all of this sounds a little depressing. But there is a great alternative that's currently on the rise. NFT-backed mining. This is quite a bit different from cloud mining. And so far, for me, it has been a lot more profitable. Let me explain. With cloud mining, you rent a crypto miner. You do this by buying a contract, which often has a duration between 1 and 5 years. With NFT-backed mining, this is different. You buy a miner permanently. Now, as you might know, these crypto miners can cost thousands of dollars. But with NFTs, these can easily be split up into thousands of pieces. So what you're doing is you're basically buying just a small piece of a crypto miner. You still have to pay for maintenance and electricity, but your ownership of the miner will never disappear. Let's take a look at the most popular providing for NFT-backed mining. GoMining. On GoMining, you can create a miner tailored to your very own budget. And you can even start out completely for free. Just head over to the first link in the description and sign up. I can definitely recommend checking out the bonus miner to get a feel for the platform. If you do eventually decide to buy a miner, your miner will start out with an ROI between 40 and 50% a year. This is already great, but there is a couple of tricks that we can use to optimize this even further. Most people that I have spoken to break even on their miner within less than a year of using the platform, which is insane. And yes, since you own the miner, you can also sell it whenever you want. Now, there's one more provider that offers a similar service. But unfortunately, this platform is still in the development and I cannot tell you too much about it yet. Stay tuned for this, because in 1 month you might very well be one of the first users of this platform, which brings some pretty great benefits. If you're interested in the best miner to buy on GoMining, or you're looking to optimize your rewards on the platform, make sure to check out these videos. For now, that is all I have to say. See you in the next video.